What's up, world? It's your boy King Slabber, always out there slabbing. Today, I'm gonna show y'all how I clean my crappie. What I do is get me a good knife with some rigid edges and cutting board and a nice sized crappie. What I usually do is scale my fish because I don't believe in wasting food. And what's in between can get ate. So what I do is start scaling my fish like this. You're gonna have scales popping everywhere, but it gets them clean like that. Get up there at the top, scales out the top of them to probably about right there at the gill plate, not right there. Do the back up to that fin. Then you want to do the other side. Make sure it's good scaled, no scales up there. Scale the bottom. Then what I like to do, I like to cut right here on that gill plate, right around it. Just like that. Throw the head in the trash. And then I come in the middle of it. And then I cut right there along that bottom fin until it starts to open up for me. Then once I get it good and open, go ahead and gut that stuff out of there. Once I get it gutted out real good, I take it and cut it right there on that bone to where it fillets right on. Just like that. Here we go. Got two. And a lot more to go. Okay. After you got them good and scaled, they should look like this. Good thick pieces of fish. What I do is I put mine on in the sink and I rinse them bad boys off. So let's do it. Some warm water. Any excess blood out of there. Some stuff I missed. And the skin on them should be smooth. You shouldn't feel no scales. That feels good. Here are my ingredients. Martha White buttermilk cornmeal mix, hot rise, Morton all-purpose seasoning salt. Then I have vegetable oil, 3 cups. That's it. Simple ingredients for the best smacking crappie in the world. Stay tuned. Next, what you want to do is season your crappie. I usually use Morton's all-purpose seasoning salt, but some people like to add a little something else. But this is the best and simple way to do it. What I do is season both sides. Flip it over. Then I season the other side. Grab another piece. Lay that down flat on top of the other one. Then I season it. And there you go. Both sides. Good and seasoned. Just like that. While I'm seasoning, I put in my 3 cups of oil. Just like that. And turn my heat on medium heat. I usually do that while I'm seasoning. After I get them all seasoned, I usually use Martha White buttermilk cornmeal mix. Open it up. Now instead of wasting dishes, I usually put all my flour like a little plastic bag. Dump some in there. Just enough. Then I go ahead and throw me a couple pieces in there. Just like that. Then take the bag, hold it like that, twist it a little bit, and I just shake it. Gotta be careful, cause them fish still got spines on them. Then I just grab me a little styrofoam tray, Your pieces should come out like that on both sides. Now that I got my fish seasoned and floured, my grease should be hot. I just throw them bad boys on in there. So let's give it a dip. Fry for 5 minutes on both sides. And I usually flip it over, just like that. Just good and golden brown. When it's done, it should look a little something like this. Oh yes, good and golden brown. Ooh, looks so delicious. I think we should sample this project. Mm. Mm. And that's what I call some good smacking crappie. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe.